Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's video, I'll be very quick, but I want to put something out there. I want to tell you guys that Forex is not what you think it is. Forex is more than just checking on the chart, seeing a red candle and selling, seeing a buying or a green candle and buying. Forex is more. You have to put in work. And I was just analyzing GBP Audi, trying to understand what is happening in this market. And you guys, you have been here for long. You know I was trading GBP Audi for so long. Like I had traded GBP Audi for 1 year when I was starting, but I never cracked anything. And then now I'm trying to check this GBP Audi, and then I'm wondering what is happening in this chart. Like a lot is happening, and once the structure happens, once a setup happens, they have it has a way to manipulate everything. So if you see a double top, the market might sell. If you see a double bottom, the market might buy. And that's how we trade Forex patterns. So let's now try to analyze 4 hour. And that's why I tell guys, if you don't have enough data, if you don't have enough experience, always stick to daily. Why? Because 4 hours has a lot. So we will start analyzing this chart with you guys on 4 hour. And for you who you ask, do you analyze on 4 hour? Do you analyze on daily? Do you do it on weekly? Let's now try to analyze on 4 hour, and you will see why I always tell you start with daily, then come to 4 hour to look for entry. So on my 4 hour time frame, I'm trying to look at this GBP Audi, and I'm wondering, wow, this is big. Like I can see clearly that I have a double top. So let's start with the Forex pattern that we have. So the first pattern that is very clear, I hope you guys, you can see this double top. So this is a double top. It's not a possible double top. It's a double top. It's a double top. And you know, for a double top is the one that has broken half, has broken neckline. So this is a double top. It's a clear double top. And we can see clearly that this is our neckline. So the market was here. And then if at all we can be able to, let's say, measure half, we can see where we got entry. We got our entry there. Immediate entry after the market dropped. So if at all you were not able to enter this double top when it was up here, when it broke our half, you were able to get in this trade. And for me, double tops are very easy to trade once they break half. If they have not broken half, they are not as easy as they sound. So once the market broke that half, we could have targeted all the way to neckline, and this was 256 pips. So once the market broke the neckline, this is where everything now changes. Why? Because you know, if the market has a neckline, the market has to retest. So if the market breaks your neckline, you don't just get in. It's not like they have. If the market breaks half, you get immediately. But if the market breaks neckline has to retest. So we see this big, huge momentum candle, and then the market now starts to retrace. Now, if the market is retracing, how do you get in this market? How do you even get involved in this market? So if you use WBB, it might not work, because I have come to realize WBB on 4 hour, it does not work always. So if you use the engulf, you see the first red candle never engulfed, the second candle engulfed. So if your entry was along, if you entered here, and maybe you are targeting the last low, you could have earned money, but you see, there was consolidating. So for WBB is not 100% sure. It's unlike other time frame. For 4 hour, you have to be very careful with your setup, so that once WBB happens, you get in. And you see that market dropped another 256 pips. But all we know is that once we have a double top, the market will always go back to where it came from. So the market can go to these zones. You see, we have our last zone here. This is our last zone. And then we have this consolidation. So the market can be attempting to come all the way here, and eventually it can drop. That's how double tops work once it breaks a neckline. But again, now remember, we have that double top. It has broken neckline. Now, once it broke our neckline, it came and formed a double bottom. You see, we have a double bottom there. So, we had a double top, broke neckline, but what did we get? We have a double bottom. For me, what I think is that this possible double bottom is here to confuse us on the journey. We are being told that the market might buy, but I think this is a false, it's a false alarm. And that's why I'm saying you need to stick with your first analysis. That's why I decided on the video that you have already watched on weekly analysis, I've decided to be printing my analysis. For me, I have started to see this double bottom, not knowing the market had a double top, broke the neckline, and now we're on a journey of coming all the way here. So when they give you a possible double bottom, let's do the same thing. Let's try and analyze this double bottom. So if you have the same double bottom, which is very clear, you will measure up to the neckline all the way here. And then now our half will be somewhere there. So you can see, let me put that half of the double bottom color blue. I hope you guys are following. So this double bottom, this is the half. This double top, the green one is the half. So the above there is the neckline of the double bottom, and this is the story that they want us to get. So the market started to come up. Remember, anyone who never saw the possible double bottom, for them they stuck with neckline retracement and they made money. Now we are stuck in this ranging, and now we don't know what the market wants to do. Does it want to obey the possible double bottom? Eventually it breaks its half and go back, or is it just a setup? Is it just a trap for buyers? So for me, even if I have this possible double bottom, I will print this and wait for my market to break. I cannot get involved in this market until they break there. So if they break here, no problem. They will come and attempt to break the neckline. And if they manage to break the neckline, what do? We'll measure that distance and the market will go all the way. Let me show you what you do. If they manage to break that neckline, the market will go that distance. Guys, I'm not lying. This is how you analyze the chart. But be careful getting involved in GBP Audi too early. Why? Because the sell have more power. Why? Because this double top has more power than this possible double bottom, because already this is a double top. And if you want to know a double top that has more power, is a double top that has already broken the neckline. And now what is happening with the possible double bottom? They have again being rejected on the half, and what are they attempting to create? Inverted cup and handle. So the market is trying to create an inverted cup and handle, and we know inverted cup and handle, who does inverted cup and handle support? It supports sell. So at the end of the day, the buy is just a confusion to make you not understand what is happening. So yes, you have a double top that has broken neckline, the market retraced, and it is not able to break this zone. But let's pay attention and see, will the market eventually break through? And if it breaks this zone, let me put it on, I put that horizontal line, make it red for you guys to see. If the market now breaks, if the market breaks this cap, let me make it yellow. If the market breaks this cap, where do you think it is going? It is going down. So let's see, if it goes down, will it go to the zone that I have told you guys? That's how the market, mostly it is manipulated. They will give you the first setup. They know everyone has forgotten about the double top, and then they come, they break the neckline, and then they give you a false narrative of double bottom. And for you, you will keep on trying to buy, but immediately if this market breaks here, I'm assuring you it will go all the way down. So checking on this market, you can see that Forex analysis is not for lazy people. You cannot come here being lazy, just waking up, seeing a chart and now forgetting and come again, see green candle buy, see red sell. No, you need to have a story. You need to have more information, more data. For me, I was just analyzing this pattern and I was like, okay, double top, neckline, another possible double bottom. Which one do I follow now? So if the market now obeys the double top, the previous double top, if it breaks, we are looking at 724 pips. If this double top now manage to break the half, we will look at how many pips? 355. If they manage to go and breaking that zone on that resistance, will go another 717. So either way, we will still make money. So be aware not to be fooled by the chart and how the market makers may make you understand. So I hope you'll put GBP Audi on your watch list and let's see how it goes. Thank you and I love you so much. Bye bye. But if I lay down